Alright guys, so today we're going to talk about the point slope formula. Pretty much we're going to figure out the equation given the slope and a point. Hence it's called point slope formula because you need a point and a slope, right? That's what it's called, point slope formula. So here's the formula over here. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Alright, don't forget, m is that slope. Alright, and y1 and x1, they're your point. Again, it's point slope formula because we need a point, right, and a slope. Alright, so here's how we're going to do them. Example 1 on your notes. I'll rewrite the formula like always. Again, I always label the point. So 4 is my x1, and 4 is my x1. 1's got to be my y1. The slope is given to you guys as -2. So I'm going to write the formula and plug in the variables. So I got y minus 1 equals 2 times x minus 4. I simply just plug it in the slope for my m, right, and 1 for my y1, and for my x1 I'm plugging that 4. Again, be careful, the formula says y minus and x minus, and all you got to do is plug it in the values. Alright, it says be sure to distribute and solve for y. Alright, that's exactly what we're going to do. Alright, I distribute the 2 to the x and to the -4. So I have 2x minus 8, and then we got to solve for y. So in order to solve for y, add a 1 to both sides and simplify, and you should get y equals 2x minus 7. Alright, check that out. Look at it again, double check your work. Again, you guys can pause this, rewind as many times as you like. We got one more example on the front page. If you go all the way down to example 5. Alright, now my point is 4 and -3 with a slope of -1. Be careful. The formula say that is y minus and x minus. Alright, example 5, we have y minus, well, our y1 actually is a -3. So we have y minus a -3. Be careful. You know, we struggled with that before. Become a plus, right? Y plus 3. And on the right side, my slope is -1. Same thing, distribute. -1 times x and -1 times -4 get us +4. Alright, so same like the top one, our formula, right, x1, y1. Alright, simplify. Don't forget to solve for x again. So you should have y equals -x plus 1. Alright, check that out. Again, be careful with that double negative there, become addition. Same concept like the first one. Alright, and then on the back, our last example. Alright, well, what happened if you were given 2 points? Well, the formula is called what again? It's called point slope formula. Alright, so we need a point and we need a slope. Well, we got 2 points now. The only thing we don't have is the slope. So we did learn how to find slope. Alright, that's the formula up there. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Don't forget to label. Alright, don't forget to label which one's which. Once you find the slope, now you can figure out the equation using the point slope formula. So let's look at our first example here. Alright, I'm going to zoom it in real quick. I got 2 points. I got -3, 1 and -1. Again, I always label x1, y1, x2, y2. Alright, find the slope. Alright, it's a lot easier when you already label. Be careful of that double negative. Alright, be careful of that double negative, become addition. So you got -1 minus 7, get you -8, and you got 1 minus -3, let's get you 4, and simplify to become -2. Now, plug it back in to the point slope formula. Now you have a couple of different choices out here. Well, we got a slope, -2, right? The slope is at -2, but I need a point. We got 2 points. Alright, you can use whichever pairs you want. Well, here's the thing. I already labeled this guy x1 and y1. So might as well use this one for my formula. You can use the second pair if you like, right? You should get the same answer, the same final solution. But since I already labeled x1 and y1, I'm just gonna go ahead and use -3 and 7 for my point slope formula. Again, if we figure out that the slope is -2, y minus y1, which is 7, right? -2 is our slope. X minus, well, happen to be that our x1 is a -3, so be careful, right? X minus -3, right, becomes a plus, right? So become x plus 3. Don't forget to distribute, just like on the first page. -2x and -6, and resolve for y. Alright, so we have y minus 7 equals -2x minus 6. Add 7 to both sides, and your final answer should be y equals -2x plus 1. Alright, don't forget, point slope formula. Literally, you need a point and a slope to figure this thing out.